Everything a nigga got, I got some slangin' birds. Everything a nigga got, I got some slangin' birds.
Birds. Yeah, I'm slanging birds. And I'm slanging pigeons. Nigga, what the fuck? Cause you know I'm in the kitchen. Yeah, like Future, you know a nigga itching. I'll beat a nigga up if I found out that he snitching. I'ma beat his bitch ass cause that nigga keep bitching. I'ma fuck his hoe, have his hoe fucking licking my dick and my head. Fuck what you said. This lucky going off the fucking head, and I got the dough, finna hit it on the floor. What you know, man, a nigga gotta go. Get the dime, get the ounce, and I make that pussy bounce. And our girl shake the ass, and the girl get that bag. Yeah.
What am I done fucked up. Oh, I'm in a jack corner selling balls. I'm selling balls for hit me on toe, and I don't give a fuck. I'm on the quarterback to 7 fucking level. Catch me slanging bricks, belly at the chicken. Chickens, yeah, them birds, like birds, man. I don't give a fuck. You know who I be. Young Delta OG. Catch me with my niggas TLC. Team mother team. Yeah, that be the squad. I'm big, like boom. Oh hell yeah, nigga, on blood. On blood. On blood. In the kitchen, cooking up cake. The bitch came home. She got her pussy, ain't by the team. I'm Lil' Bree, going hard up in the street.
Hell no, my little bitch. Hell no.